Do you enjoy supporting your favorite Mixer streamer using Embers but don't have the money to buy Embers? Well, I am going to show you how you can get Mixer Embers for free. Welcome back, everyone. It is Papa Crunk here, and welcome back to the channel. If you do enjoy Mixer and want to support your favorite Mixer streamers, whether they're partners or non-partners, well, I am going to show you how you can get Mixer Embers for free. Well, if you're new to Mixer or never even heard of Mixer, you're probably asking yourself, what are Mixer Embers and what do they do? Well, simply put, Embers are Mixer's new paid virtual currency. You as a user can purchase Embers and then use them on premium skills that you can use on partner and non-partner channels on Mixer. So when Mixer launched Embers back in November 2018, they added a great collection of premium skills. Now these skills, they cost, there's a varied amount for them, and they're different than the sparks that they originally had. Now, Embers come in two different forms. They come in the form of stickers and they come in the form of effects. Both have different denominations. Now, both of them also have attribution. Attribution is basically a message from you, the user, that purchased the skill, and this allows you to send a short message to the streamer with your Ember choice. The message is then shown in chat for the whole audience to see. Obviously, high-priced Ember skills, they are more noticeable through the background color and the effects versus the less-priced Ember skills. But regardless, whichever one you choose, it's a fantastic way to support your favorite streamer. So here are just a few examples of some of the Ember skills that are available for purchase. As you can see here, the range goes from 50 Embers all the way up to 20,000. And these are in the forms of stickers and effects. Some are animated and some are holographic. Regardless which one you choose, it does support your favorite streamer and it does help them financially. And it also is very entertaining within chat because you can leave a really cool message for your favorite streamer. So now you come to this page and you're looking at this going, man, these are just expensive. I just physically and financially cannot afford these Embers. Yet alone, I don't have the money to support them via subscriptions. Well, you're very fortunate right now because Mixer and Microsoft have set up a really great way for you to earn some money to where you can buy these Embers absolutely for free, and that's using the Bing web browser. This is Microsoft's exclusive web browser, and they've set up a really great way that you can earn some rewards just by cruising the internet. So the system, how it's set up, is absolutely free to you and me. The only requirement is that you have to have a Microsoft account. And once you get to Bing, just log in with your Microsoft account and you could start earning points today. So now the way it's set up is there are several ways that you can actually earn rewards. Well, the easy one is your daily rewards. And that is basically searching Bing gives you about 270 points per day. And you take 270 points, multiply that by a full year, and that gives you roughly 99,000 rewards points over the course of a year. That's about a $100 value. Not bad for just searching the internet, which we all do every day. And then in addition to that, if you go to the Microsoft main page and you go into the reward section, they have a daily set that's anywhere from 50 to 60 points a day. You do those every day for an entire year, that's going to get you an additional 18 to 21,000 rewards points just by doing those. And then there's the more activities sections, which range from anywhere from 10 to 100 points a day. Now these are more on the weekly basis, but man, that's some extra points just by doing those activities, and they're all just basically quizzes, testing your smarts, and some surveys. Not bad for just doing some things that we do every day. And then there's the monthly incentives, like this one that they have going on right now, which is movies and TV punch cards. So basically, on this one, you rent or you buy 3 movies in January and you earn an additional 2,500 points. Not bad. And then on your Xbox, you have the ability to earn rewards as well. So this one right here is the Games Pass Quest. They do this on a monthly basis, weekly and monthly basis, and so if you play games within the Games Pass catalog, you can take those points and it adds into your Microsoft rewards points, so it's adding to your value. Anyways, guys, you get the idea. This is a great way to where you can earn hundreds of thousands of points every year, and that's not including if you have multiple Microsoft accounts that you can then merge later. So you can have hundreds of thousands, if not 500,000 points every year, just by using Bing and your Xbox. You can then take those rewards and then you can use them for whatever they have in the Microsoft Store. In our case, we're going to use them for Xbox gift cards that we can then take, and we can redeem them for Embers that we can then take and support our favorite streamers. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope that you found this video to be educational, inspiring, informative, funny, whatever it is that you guys found this video to be. Please remember, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell so that way you can get informed every time that I have a new video uploaded. And then also give this video a like. The more you guys like it, the better the reach is. Also drop a comment down below. Let me know what you found most informative about this, or any feedback that you want to give me. So anyway, guys, Crunk is going to be signing out. Play more games and have fun tonight.